Got a grill and garden? That's all you need to host an outdoor pizza shindig naturally and locally sourced. For the green thumbs, plant some easy-to-grow ingredients out in the garden like tomatoes, green peppers, and herbs. You can make your own dough or go the easy route and order fresh dough from your local pizza shop the night before. Prepping the pie is a breeze with this large, sturdy outdoor bar and prep station from Suncast. First, stretch out the dough and brush both sides lightly with oil. Start by slicing up your toppings like cheese, veggies, and toss with oil, salt, and pepper. Set your grill to super hot and quickly grill the dough for about 30 to 40 seconds until the bubbles start to rise. Try to keep it from getting too toasted brown. You can even throw a layer of cheese on top to start melting a base layer. After the toast and melt, layer the tomato sauce, cheese, and toppings of choice over the pie. Put the pizza back on the grill and cook until the cheese gets melty and the crust is crispy. Top with fresh herbs like basil from the garden, slice up, and serve.